Surprise, surprise, surprise. What's up guys, we're back with some bombshell news. We have some update regarding the under-display camera for the Galaxy S22 lineup as well as the Snapdragon model of the S22 series. Yes, Qualcomm's next big processor is coming and it reveals some very surprising details. Courtesy of EvLeaks, one of the most trusted sources when it comes to the leaks game, the SM8450 is Qualcomm's next-gen premium chip. It might actually be called as Snapdragon 895. The most surprising bit about this is that it's actually going to be based on a 4nm process. It's also going to pack Qualcomm's latest and the fastest 5G modem, the Snapdragon X65. Other than that, the Kryo 780 CPU will be built on ARM's latest Cortex V9 technology that was announced a month ago. Exynos 730 GPU, updated camera ISP, faster 5G speeds, official support for LPDDR5 RAM, plus more exciting stuff. It's actually going to be a very well challenger to Samsung's Exynos 2200 AMD processor. Now speaking of Exynos 2200, another source has commented that it's also going to be based on 4nm process compared to the previously rumored 5nm. He also said there is no performance jump when it comes to 5nm and 4nm comparison, but there will definitely be an efficiency gain. And once again, Samsung Foundry could be responsible for manufacturing the next Snapdragon processor as well as Exynos 2200 chip. So there we go, Galaxy S22 lineup will be one of the first flagship phones to get a 4nm processor. We'll see massive performance gains on both variants. Again, Samsung is set to bring its absolute best with AMD. We'll see which one eventually comes on top. Also in the news, we've got some huge update regarding the under-display camera status for the Galaxy S22 lineup. According to Korean media, as of now, Samsung is not getting the result that they wanted from the under-display camera mass production yield, while also not getting the result that they wanted when it comes to the camera quality. If that remains the case, then the Galaxy S22 lineup might come without under-display camera. Korean media further says that the proper under-display camera implementation is only possible after the second half of 2022, which means it's likely to happen around the Note 22 lineup launch. Now again, nothing is final. The S22 lineup is far from mass production, so we still have yet to see its design. So until then, we can hope for the best. As for the Fold 3, it is indeed coming with the under-display camera. According to Exynos, the light transmission rate is pretty good, which means that the camera image quality will be close to a traditional front camera sensor, but the look of under-display camera might not be perfect. So he gave this example where you can see a sort of a mosaic pattern where the under-display camera is supposed to be. Now other Twitter leaksters said that the mosaic circle shape is only visible when the display is fully white. In most situations with colors, you will not be able to see the under-display camera and it's going to be completely invisible. So yeah guys, I'm really excited for the Fold 3. The under-display camera on this Samsung product will give us an idea of what to expect for the Galaxy S22 lineup. Let's hope for the best. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.